our next set of special people who will be coming onto the stage. Mr. F. Mahavir Kumar, past President of the Stock Exchange. Mr. Ishwar Bhatt, past President. Mr. U.B. Maya. Mr. Pankaj J. Shah, who also happens to be the former chairman of BFSL besides being the former president of the Stock Exchange, as well as Mr. Jagdish V. Ahuja, yet again former president of BGSE and former chairman of BFSL. We invite you all onto the dais to receive the honor on the 50th anniversary. Felicitations get underway. Here's an opportunity to tell you what I had been reading about the history of it. The present building on JC Road, from where the exchange operates now, was purchased during Mr. F. Mahavir Kumar's tenure from the Thapar Group. Within 6 months of the acquisition of the building, trading operations were automated in a record time, making Bangalore Stock Exchange the first exchange in South India and the 4th in the country to have screen-based trading system. And this resulted in a huge increase in the volumes, and the exchange climbed to the 8th position from the 16th position. Quite a leap that must have been. The management, staff, and of course all the members exhibiting some excellent teamwork. Also during Mr. Ishwar Bhatt's tenure, that's from 96 to 97, the software, hardware and rules for computerized trading was set. Mr. Bhatt was also the member of the building committee which finalized the purchase of the stock exchange building, and he played a significant role in the formation and the incorporation of BGSE Financials Limited. Mr. Maya, who hasn't been able to join us, was actively involved in setting up of the Coffee Futures Exchange. Mr. Pankaj Shah, from 1998 to 2000, he became the president in 1998, and during his tenure, there was complete transition of the business model of the exchange. And along with other regional stock exchanges, he conceptualized a subsidiary model through which the RSEs could provide facilities to their members and investors to trade on NSE and BSE. Mr. Jagdish Ahuja, during his term as a president, that was from 2000 to 2002, the exchange witnessed many new business initiatives and tremendous growth. He was also the chairman of the board of the subsidiary company, and during his tenure, BFSL became one of the largest DPs of the NSDL in Karnataka. Also instrumental for registering BFSL in the NSE derivative segment, and provided opportunity to members to trade in F&O segment of the National Stock Exchange. Please put your hands together for all the people who are receiving the honor, either directly or on behalf of the contributors. Dhanyavadalu, sir. Thank you very much indeed. Well, in the chairman category, I now invite Mr. M. Shankar Narayanan, former chairman